New this morning, a much-needed state-of-the-art kidney care facility opened in an underserved area of Milwaukee. But why hasn't it been fully operational for 5 months? Julia Fellow looks into why the dialysis center on Capitol Drive has not been able to serve a single Medicare patient. Here's Julia.
There are more than 2,500 outpatient DaVita dialysis centers nationwide. Their spokesperson says one of the newest, near Humboldt and Capitol, will include 12 dialysis stations, a nurse, dietitian, social worker, insurance counselor, and patient care technicians. Yet rarely anyone has been seen going inside.
Something just doesn't make sense here.
Dr. Sheldon Wasserman, an OBGYN and Milwaukee County supervisor, believes this is the perfect location for vulnerable kidney patients on the north side.
You know, a lot of African Americans have it, and it was built in an urban area. Hypertension, diabetes is rampant in our community, and these are the patients who develop kidney disease and end-stage kidney disease. So there's a desperate need for services.
The National Kidney Foundation reports hemodialysis treatment that cleans a patient's blood takes about 4 hours, 3 times a week.
People need dialysis. People have kidney disease in Milwaukee, and why are we not using the services? You know, what's going on?
The doors to DaVita were locked on Wednesday, but I was able to get inside into the lobby this same time last week and speak to a worker who was inside. She told me they've been open since October, but only accepting cash payments from customers. That's because they are waiting for a federal Medicare certification.
A spokesperson tells me they are expecting to get the Medicare certification as early as late spring.
As an OBGYN, are you familiar with Medicare certification? Is that a difficult thing to get?
It really is not. It's not that hard. You know, once again, we're dealing with dialysis. Dialysis, because it's a federal law, Medicare B takes care of it. It really should be a slam dunk.
DaVita was able to get this Brown Deer Dialysis Center Medicare certified and opened last month. So what's the holdup on Capitol Drive?
What is going on here? Little building that right across from Channel 4 News.
DaVita spokesperson pointed towards the Centers for Medicaid and Medicare Services, or CMS for answers. We reached out to the CMS spokesperson, and she is still researching an answer for us.
I mean, it just keeps on coming down. Somebody messed up, and there's a problem here.
Julia Fellow, today's TMJ4.
In a late email from a DaVita spokesperson, they're now telling us that the state visited the facility on Monday to complete a survey, and they expect to hear back on official certification sometime this month.